So let's take a look at another example problem and see if we can figure out how to solve it. In this one, we're supposed to solve the equation, and we want to notice right off the bat that this is a multiple angle equation. Now it might not look like k times x, something like 2x or 3x, but technically in this case k, that number I'm multiplying by x, is 1/3. So this is a multiple angle equation, which means I need to be using all 4 steps of my process. So let's start with step 1, where I get a trig function by itself. I will subtract the square root of 3 from both sides, and then I'll divide by 2. Okay, so that's not so bad. I've moved everything to one side. Now in step 2, I'm supposed to find all my solutions for one cycle of that trig function. Well, cosine goes from 0 to 2 pi in one cycle. So that means I need to find the solutions in all the quadrants from 0 to 2 pi, where cosine equals negative root 3 over 2. So first off, I could think, okay, cosine is negative in quadrants 2 and 3. And then I just want to think, where on the unit circle would I end up with the x-coordinate equal to negative root 3 over 2? Well, that would happen when we get 5 pi over 6, and also when we get 7 pi over 6. Okay, so that's what we have so far in step 2. So we need to continue. So step 3. In step 3, this is where I'm supposed to write all my general solutions. Okay, so I'm supposed to take these guys that I have, and then think about adding integer multiples of the period. Well, the period of cosine is 2 pi, so I'll add plus 2 pi n to each of those guys. And now, to finish, because this is a multiple angle equation, I need to just solve the equation for x. So you could either think, if I'm following the instructions explicitly, divide by 1/3. Honestly, I think it's cleaner just to think, let's multiply the whole equation by 3. That would become 5 pi over 2 plus 6 pi n, and 7 pi over 2 plus 6 pi n. And that would be my final answer. It just said to solve it. It didn't say to round anything, so I haven't rounded my answers. It didn't say just to do specific solutions, so I found all the solutions, and that's the end.